How to fix Kakao Talk login problem on your Android device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the Kakao Talk login problem on your Android device. So first thing what you want to do is just head over to your Play Store and make sure you have updated your Kakao Talk application. And once you have successfully updated, if it's not showing update, that means it has already been updated. So no problem for that, just click on open the application. And if you are not being able to log into your account, if you have been forgetting your password, you can simply reset your password by clicking on this. Say find my Kakao account or password option like this, and you will get two different options where you can choose any one of them. So the last thing what you can do is just head over to your settings, and once you're inside your settings, just scroll all until you find the application option, and from over here you just have to find the Kakao Talk application which we just downloaded. So let me just find it. So as you can see, I've located it, so simply tap on it, and once you're inside here, just head over to your storage option and make sure you clear the cache and clear the data of the application. So you might have to re-log in with your login credentials, and that should fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.